guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in real life again. If you don't remember, I posted a Kubota and we're going to see a case excavator. It's huge. I already recorded this video. They're not recorded. I already did this, couldn't find it, but I found it. So yeah, we're going on the X-rated spine over that way somewhere, and it's going to be like 1 second for you, but at least 45 minutes for me. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. So yeah, let's start the cut. I don't have a bike mount yet for my handlebars, so I need to get that off Amazon, and instead I could do a time lapse, but not now. So yeah. Okay guys, so we're here. We got all that X-rated. Can't see, it's just over there. It's tiny compared to that. It's a case. CX130D. Is that a D or no? I don't know. I'm sure it's a D. Clear that off. Can't really get rid off that. You won't really be able to get that off. Anyway, that turntables. The shaft right there. Get all my leather gloves dirty for cycling. Right. We'll get that off, but yeah, there's the attachments over there. If you can't see them, pretty good arm. Hydraulic hoses here. Huge bucket. It's those ones with the 2 side things. Okay, let me get you that light so I'll show you. On your back. Can't see in there. Bucket there. Well welded in. Cabs in there. Pretty sure that's a drive wheel. Just in case anyone comes, I better hide my bike. I'll just see you when I do that. It's good to go. Back to the cases. Sorry for the camera. The audio might be that best either. But the good comment, the Canon or something. Oh, it's going pretty good. You know it's second hand. Oh, why does my camera case on the floor fall on the floor? But yeah, the case, pretty good machinery there. It doesn't look that big on screen, but it's absolutely enormous here. And I could just clean that off, so yeah, time for editing. Well, I did it. There's the engine in there, if you can't see. Try to put the lens through, but you can't really. Washing fluid. Does that make any sense to you? Expected on the 23. Oh, it's not too long. Hi. Oh yeah, and I've showed you the editing part of that. Not much. We got much though. So. There's the turntable if you can't see it there. Undercarriage. Does that help you? But anyway, turntable, hydraulics in there. I'll just zoom in for the engine for you. You have to get on top of the machine to see properly. But can't do that right now, so right now I'll show you the attachment before I show the other excavator. I'm pretty sure I showed the bucket already. Hydraulic. You know something, does that make sense to you? Pretty sure that looks good. The cutting edge is good on that. And here's the attachments. I can make it up there. It'll be the attachments. Right. So this is a bucket. Pretty much everyone should know that. Bucket. That could be the cutter for cutting trees. Or that one. Not sure. But yeah. Does that make any sense to you? Just should do that, you guys. Let's see, I'll shoot the other side as well. There's just some danger signs there. Then of course there's just probably a view of the upturned bucket. Yeah, just a view of that bucket that's on there. And that's just a scoop bucket. They're huge case excavators. I'm actually, this one's bigger. Yeah, this one's bigger. Oh boy, this one's so much bigger. Boy, yeah, they're different, look. Oh, I know, they might be the same. I think they're the same, actually. I'm like, they're the same. Oh, they're not the same. You know what? I don't know anything today. But, yeah. Scoop bucket. That's got like a thin edge. Engine on this one. Pretty much the same. Got it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we can get up onto the track here. Oh boy, it's huge up there. I'm not going to do any damage, but the engine for you. I'm going to lift off that engine because it's not my excavator, it's someone else's, but don't kill me for doing it. It looks so, it's fine. Something to do with hydraulic fluid. Oh, the hoses, just hoses. It's the roof. Cab, if you can see in there. Just fell into the engine, but I can't see in there. I'm just showing you that exhaust over there. Fuel there. Oh, that's not fuel. Cab's doing pretty good. Stuff in there. There's like so much stuff I don't know. Yeah. Wants to give you a good view of engine. Cab, arm, hydraulic hoses. One second, I just need to check if the keys are in the ignition. I know, that's on the other side, I can't see that. Yeah. Looks like a clean hydraulic. There's a plate there. You want to see that? So it says hydraulic excavator CX130D Year of construction 2017. Year model 2017. Max offering mass is up there. Weight is 1,500. Whatever that is. It's 15 and 3 zeros and 785 kilowatts. And then, see that? It's just, that's another view of the engine. Hydraulic arm for this one. I have to walk back to show you the full hydraulic arm. And a mud puddle, but it's huge. Hydraulic arm. It's up there. You can't see this one. It looks a bit smaller, but I'm not sure. I don't know what to show you. Guess I could show you the engine in here. They're basically the same. They're in really good condition. They're in really good condition, I have to say. They're not old excavators anyway, they're new. To show the tracks, just condition if you want to see the tracks. Where's the drive shaft? I think this is the drive one. Yeah. Turntable, if you can't see. Turntable in there. Now let's go from this one. So hopefully you like and subscribe, because this took a lot of effort. Pretty much the same engine, compartment, lights. I'm pretty sure Deal gives these lights. I love them so much. Look at these lights. Cab in there. Looks like the arm's in there, but there's a cab. Just high vis mast. Not much. Show the engine. Quick zoom of the engine. Zoom in for this engine. See that. The arm's quite nice. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure that's all for today's video. Just show you a quick overview. That case looks like. I'm still sure that case is bigger, but I'm not sure. It just says case construction in the window, so. Yeah, I think we're going to end our video today, here. So yeah. I'll take the thumbnail right now, so yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. We hit another subscriber, so I wish we hit another subscriber for this, so yeah, it's actually hard for me to get up this track, so yeah, I'm just going to take the thumbnail to show you. Yeah, that's all for today's video. So one quick thing, I'll just show you the tracks on this one, the inner tracks. There, it's pretty good condition. So the buckets. That's all for today's video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. And just to say, I don't own these excavators, and I didn't do any damage to them. So yeah, just take a nice image shot. Right. Bye. See. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Well, we're back. I was going to edit. I'm almost back. That's what I did. Just from down there, all the way down there. It took so long. But I said I'd show you what they did. That's what they did. They did that. They did all that. Also did the ditch down here. This gate was already here, but they just did the ditch. that is like, you can't show that for a bunch of video, but that's deep. And they also did all that. So let me zoom in. They did all that and that and that. They actually cut down mostly like tons. That's just what's like. They did a lot. Did the mound of earth up there. Yes, they did all this. Pretty sure that's what the buckets were for. This. And yeah, they did all this. So I'm just going to show all the videos, all the photos I took before I left. It ran out of power, so I couldn't take much, but they're going to put them on the screen now. Time for editor me to edit that. Well, yeah, time for today's video. Please like and subscribe. I'll do the same if you're watching part one or part two. I'll still put this on. So yeah. So yeah, part two. Still going to get the same thing. Yeah. So we did a bit more here as well. Oh look. At least they put this ruffled cap down here to see disgusting stuff. Anyway, yeah. Back also the road here is absolutely trash. Look at this. That's water. Look. Water coming from there, from the farmer's room. Anyway, yep. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. As I said, this will be in part one and part two. So yeah. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I gained a new subscriber in part one, so thanks for watching. Gotta go off now.